Today ended up being a spectacular day. 80 degrees at the Salisbury Airport with low humidity as well. What's interesting to note is that the low temperature actually occurred very recently, 9:54 p.m. And that's just because it was so humid and muggy last night that the temperatures weren't able to drop off all that much. Only got to 70 degrees earlier in the morning, but now we're starting to cool things off down to 64 degrees, and all of us are going to be getting, or at least most of us are going to be getting into the 55, maybe the immediate coastline for tonight. So tomorrow's going to be a beautiful day. Sunny and mild conditions, all of us in the mid-70s. It's going to be absolutely spectacular. Barely a cloud in the sky. So more clouds will come into the mix by the time we get to Wednesday, and I think especially into Thursday, transitioning more to a partially sunny sky. And then we got a chance for rain arriving by the weekend. Looks like right now the main time frame is going to be for Saturday. I would plan on a pretty wet day by then, but it looks like we should be drying things out by the time we get to Sunday, but we'll talk about that in just a bit. Nice clear sky for tonight, crystal clear, mind you, not a cloud out there. We got a cold front pushing offshore, Canadian high pressure building in. So that means this time of the year especially very excellent weather is on the way. You can see all the dry air moving in on the water vapor satellite imagery, which shows up very well there. So no concerns with humidity, that means, and no rain chances for the next few days. It's going to feel extremely comfortable going into Tuesday and even into Wednesday as well. But by Thursday and into Friday, that's where the humidity really starts to creep up with that rain chance. And as the humidity goes down later Saturday night, that's going to be when the rain moves out as well. So again, I do think Saturday's going to be the wetter day, and Sunday looks pretty fine out there. Now the breeze is going to be a little bit noticeable tomorrow. Gusts at around 25 miles per hour by the coastline is possible throughout the day. Elsewhere, I think an occasional gust up to 20 miles per hour is possible. Wind out of the northeast, and it kind of remains persistent throughout the day, especially along the coastline. So something to keep in mind. It's not extremely breezy out there, but the breeze will be a bit noticeable for tomorrow. Other than that, though, it's a very sunny sky, crystal clear skies for tonight. Almost wall-to-wall sunshine for tomorrow. It's going to be a beautiful day with fall-like temperatures out there. Not much to complain about for this time of the year. Now we get a bit more clouds to move into the mix by Wednesday. The further north you go, the more sun you're going to get. The further south you go, it's more so a partly sunny sky out there. So it's not going to be a bad day, but won't be as bright as it will be on Tuesday. Now by Thursday, it's kind of a similar situation where especially on the lower levels, we'll get a cloud deck kind to develop with easterly flow developing. So again, kind of a partially sunny sky out there, but not a bad day. Then we transition to the weekend. We got a pretty strong cold front coming into the area, and I do think a few showers are possible on Friday. But it's mainly going to be Saturday where we see some heavier rain possible moving into the area before it clears up by Sunday. So again, plan for a little bit of rain by Saturday. Could be heavy at times, and then Sunday definitely looks like the drier of the 2 days. So for tonight, we'll go 54 to 59 degrees, a sublime night out there. Good night to open those windows tomorrow, 73 to 78 degrees, sunny skies, feeling like fall, but again, a little bit breezy out there. Something to keep in mind. So we'll go with mostly sunny skies, especially the further north you go, partially sunny on Thursday. A chance for a few showers by Friday, the high 82 degrees, so a little bit warmer and muggier as well. And we'll watch for potential for some maybe heavier rain by Saturday. Hannah?